So today we're working on my 1999 Cadillac Escalade 5.7 liter, and we're going to be removing the water pump, and it is right down there. So first we got to take off this fan, which is 10 millimeters. There's a few bolts right here, some down here. Take this off, this plastic off. All right, so we got the cover out. So there's 6 bolts. There's some right here on the side, and then and just move it. I'm just gonna move it up to the side. I'm just connected to the power. I don't want to mess up that. Try to leave it over here. Yeah, you just gotta use a 10 millimeter with an extension on it, just to get down in there. So I bought these tools on Amazon, and it's supposed to hold the water pump. So whenever you're trying to turn it, put on the screws. Little screws in there to hold it, and then this one you see on the big nut right there. Put it this way. This one. Should be it. Yeah, that's it for that one. So I had to take this off next. Little hose. Care if I accidentally rip this one. This one's all, I'm gonna probably get a new one anyways. Next is that one right there. Try to get that one's try to get off right now. So we're gonna plug that one. Just make sure you have like a bucket. I got a bucket. Still some, but just kind of loosened it with this, the hose, so I can around it. It's gonna come out easier and just pull it out. Now you just remove the 4 bolts. They're right up in here. They're right on top of each other. There's one right on top of there, one, and the other one's right underneath 2. Same thing on this side. 1, 2, there's 4. And then the bottom right is the one that has like water running through it. So we're gonna put new ones on it, and it's already pretty much out now. So you can take this pulley out. It's easier to get to these hoses right there. 13. Yep, that's pretty much it. Still that one, but then you gotta take off this water pump pulley. I just grabbed it with some locking pliers, and then it should be able to come out. And just take it out. Hold it. And we're gonna bolt it on. Here's my new AC Delco water pump. I ordered it online too. And it comes with the gaskets too when you put it back on. And also that too. So now we're gonna put these bolts on here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna clean these with the razor blade. I have one of these. There's another one. Where's the other one? Down up in here, you can't really see it too good. It's tucked under there though, to get the gaskets on there. So we're gonna put a little bit of this on there, just to help the little gaskets hold on better. And it's better if you put it on the pump, I heard, because that way the gaskets don't stick to the block, and then it's harder to take off if it needs to be changed again in the future. Just leave a bunch of mess. So yeah. And then we ordered new screws. So then you want to put these through. They're gonna fall out. I'm gonna turn it upside down. And then we're gonna try to install it like this. Okay, so I got in there, so it was kind of how to like hold it up, put the 2 screws, have everything ready, then try to line up the screws, and then hold it with one hand, and then with the other hand start turning it by hand, and then wrenching it. And just gotta get these hoses back on, and the belt, and that one, and then the fan, and that's pretty much it. And then top it off with some water. So we got the belt on. It was kind of a pain in the ass. I don't know why. It seems like it's a little tighter than what it was. Maybe because it's not straight. Now we're just gonna try to screw this fan back on, and it's just righty tighty, lefty loosey. Make sure it's nice and straight.